Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the battery from a Lincoln Navigator. First, prioritize your safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly set. You will need a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal puller, and a wire brush for this task. Having these tools ready will make the process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's move on to disconnecting the battery terminals. The battery in a Lincoln Navigator is usually found under the hood, but some models might have it under the rear seat. Always start by loosening and removing the negative terminal first, using your 10mm wrench. Once the negative is free, proceed to disconnect the positive terminal in the same manner. This order is crucial for preventing electrical shorts. With the terminals disconnected, it's time to remove the battery's hold-down mechanism. This could be a clamp or a strap that secures the battery in place. Once the hold-down is removed, you can carefully lift the battery out of its tray. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing between 40 and 60 pounds, so lift with your legs to avoid injury. Take your time and ensure a firm grip. Before installing a new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal clamps thoroughly with your wire brush. This helps ensure good electrical contact. Also, inspect your battery cables for any signs of corrosion or damage. When installing the new battery, reverse the disconnection process. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure and tight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.